is Ryan from EZVIZ sales team. So your watch now is the first EZVIZ Product Show. And today we're going to show you all of our new lineups right here. And here we go, the revolutionary C3X. Well, here comes my favorite part, the unbox part. Here we go. Oh, check out this little piece.
Don't shake.
Yeah, I feel like my hands are shaking. Well, here we go. Well, you may notice the dual lenses right here. So one of the lenses is capturing the light, and the other one is handling the color information, right? And also with AI technology, right? And also the good part is the AI technology is built in this C3X, which means you don't have to subscribe additionally for the AI feature, which is super cool.
Absolutely.
Right?
Yeah. It not only has two lenses, but also it has two IR lights. So it's just so cool that we don't need to use the spotlight to enjoy the color night vision. We will later cut in a short clip so that you will have a better idea of how good the color night vision of our C3X.
Well, isn't it wonderful being able to get a color night vision without spotlight? Is quite unbelievable, I guess, right? You know what? Most of the color night vision camera, so-called color night vision camera, are with at least one spotlight. But when it comes to a little beast, C3X, you are able to see up to 100 feet without a single spotlight. And as I mentioned in the beginning, so one of the lenses is capturing the light information, which is why it performs much better than the standard low lux starlight camera, which is super awesome. Right? Nobody knows awesome than I do.
Yeah. Okay, let's talk about where to put our C3X. As an outdoor camera, yes, outside, yeah. One of the good spots to put our C3X, I think, is outside your garage, because it has vehicle and human shape, the AI detection, function.
Exactly.
Yes. Take a look at the app. The C3X allows you to draw a particular zone, and we can easily customize the motion detection zone. You can decide which area you think is the most important one.
Another feature I really love on C3X is the customizable alarm tone. So you can record your own voice and set it as the alert.
You're on private property.
In the EZVIZ app, you can notice that the video quality is pretty good, right?
Yeah, it should be, yeah.
But maybe some of you might worry about the files will be very big because the quality is so good. But you don't need to worry about this because our C3X has the latest video compression technology, H.265.
What does that even mean?
So with that technology, we will have a better video performances with smaller file size.
Okay, smaller file size. That makes sense.
Talking about the storage options, our C3X have multiple options. You can just save your recordings in the micro SD card, up to 256 gigabytes, or you can just choose our EZVIZ Cloud services. Yeah, and if you just choose our EZVIZ Cloud, we'll offer you the service at a fingertip.
So when you unbox it, you will notice this cute little plastic bag with a waterproof kit. Of course, it just stops water from getting to the camera. So additionally, it supports so-called, what's that? IP67.
67.
Help me, what was that?
It means our C3X can be used in the sunny, rainy, stormy, even the snowy days.
Okay, so
You can just use it in the whatever weathers.
all type of weathers,
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Awesome. Super cool, super cool. And thanks for watching our show today.
Thank you.
Well, bye, see you next time.
Bye.